thousands of pounds of tools and equipment and all the life-sustaining supplies of food and water delivered to the International Space Station so far can't be put to use by long-duration crews until the station receives one more module, one that provides a habitable environment for those expedition crew members. The module in question, the service module, called Zvezda, is now targeted for launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan in July. Similar to the core module of Russia's Mir space station and designed for an on-orbit life of up to 15 years, Zvezda is 43 feet long, more than 97 feet across from the tip of one solar array to the other. 21 tons of hardware that will ride to Earth orbit atop a Russian Proton rocket. Zvezda contains one docking port in the aft transfer chamber, where Soyuz and Progress ships can dock, and 3 docking ports around the forward transfer chamber, one to link with the aft end of the Zarya control module, and 2 more for other Russian-built components of the station due to arrive later in the station assembly sequence. The transfer compartment will also serve as an airlock for spacewalks utilizing the Russian Orlan spacesuit. Between those transfer chambers is the heart of Zvezda, the main work compartment. Here, long-duration crew members will have personal sleeping quarters, complete with toilet and hygiene facilities, a galley with a refrigerator freezer, and a communal table for meals, exercise equipment, and a choice of 14 windows through which they can watch the Earth and the stars glide by. In this compartment, crew members will find the workstations to control ISS's life support system, its electrical power distribution and data processing systems, the flight control and propulsion systems, and communications with mission control centers in Houston and Korolev. For up to 2 weeks following its launch, flight controllers will conduct tests to ensure that all of the module systems are operating properly. Once its rendezvous system is activated, Zvezda will become the passive partner in the docking. The International Space Station will pull up close and capture Zvezda. After docking is completed, the electrical power and motion control for ISS will be handled by systems on board Zvezda, and the Zarya control module will then be used as a storage facility. 2 weeks later, a Progress supply ship will link up to Zvezda. It will be followed by 2 more Space Shuttle assembly flights in August and in September before the scheduled late October launch from Baikonur of the first long-duration crew members and their arrival at the station in early November to begin permanent habitation